Hi guys, and I'm Leslie.
What's up, guys? Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share. Thank you so for this video, guys. Let's play with Inday Vlogs. Inday Vlogs is no toys and then no friend here at home because she is one kid. She have sister but so small, so she don't have friend here at home. So she's very boring. So let's play with mommy with Inday Vlogs. She don't have a toys, but let's play with her.
Ma, nana ko
Lalaga.
Nana ko ibaw ang duwa.
Pwede sa kuha. Isa. Ya. O siya kung bato, mo po imo ha. Sige. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Inday Vlogs, Inday. Go. Oh, langka. Ikaw. Oh. Okay, ah. Okay, langka, langka. Okay, ikaw. Dili siya. Ikaw. Mali nga ikaw. Patas, patas, patas. Yay! Hindi Vlogs winner, mami.
Manang ni kataas.
Inday Vlogs.
Winner money.
Ikaw. Ikaw, ikaw. Hindi, ikaw. Ikaw. Yay! Very good.